What's up, guys? Just finished up my trading session for the day. A little bit of a choppy market, but I managed to come out green. I took 2 trades today. My first trade was a small loss. My second trade was a decent sized winner. In total, ended up making around 236 in 16 of my PA accounts on Apex Trader Funding. So made around $3,700 in total profit today. Both of these trades I took live inside my Inner Circle group. If you guys don't know, I trade live in there every single morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So with that being said, let's go ahead and roll the clip from this live replay.
All right, I kind of like this oil setup. Everything looks pretty good on it. 4 hour time frame looks good. All right, let's see if we can get an entry here. Looking for longs on oil. Have my stop below the lows at 0.3. Okay, we just got our signal. Now I have to wait for this candle to close. Yeah, so pretty much if this candle closes above EMA, I will enter a position. Things just ripping without us. I mean, I guess if we can pull back to 0.53. Oh, wait, wow, I just got filled. Okay, I'm putting my stop below this candle since we had good volume there. I'll probably play this for high day. We'll see if we can get there. Yeah, if we get a push back up here, I'm gonna be watching the volume closely. If it's low, then I'll probably cut it off. 5-minute MACD setting up, so yeah, if we can get some bullish candles, I think we can hit our target here. Like if we get up here and it's this volume, I'm gonna take this trade off. Okay, we're out of that. Yeah, so it could hold these lows. That's about it. I didn't want to put my stop way down here though. This thing broke down again, so probably not interested in this anymore. But I'm not mad I took that setup. That's probably my favorite setup when we test an old resistance, turn new support, lines up with VWAP. I mean, that looked pretty much perfect, so I'm not mad about taking that. Well, obviously now we're just not seeing consistency in the trend and it wants to chop around more. So we could get a setup on ES right now. Very possible. Guys, I'm also fine with taking a one small loss today and calling it a day. There's nothing wrong with that as well. Like we still have this market structure of making higher lows and higher highs. Got some decent volume here. Let's see what this looks like. All right, let's see how this candle closes. Yeah, interested in longs here. I just gotta wait for this candle to close. Candle's closing now. Putting a limit order on 43. And I probably won't get filled. And it's just gonna, yeah, run up 3 points real quick. You guys get in? I got really close. Okay, I'm in. We're in at 43. Where's your stop loss? I have it at like 33. Take profit, probably depends on the volume. I want to pay attention to that if we even get up there. But either like 50 or 55 it'll be. There we go. Yeah, I want to see how this candle closes. What the volume looks like. I'm moving my stop to 42. There's no reason for me to risk that much. So we kind of have a break-even stop point below it. Figure I might as well try to get something good out of this trade. Volume was decent. I don't see a reason to sell it, but I do see a reason to move my stop up. So yeah, ideally we just want to break these highs, get a push up into here, and I'll take this thing off. But see if we can get there. All right, come on, see the push. I got my finger on the sell button. Yeah, I'm out. What did it fill me at? Oh, I just got the shittiest fill. Okay, my fill is 50.25. That's not bad, I guess. Yeah, it's around 7 points on that. Paid for the loss and then some. So 236 on 16 accounts total on the day. So around 30. Oh my God, of course. All right, if you guys are still in this, congrats to you. I sold early. I still really like the volume. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I originally had a limit order on 53. Yeah, now this thing's just gonna run. Okay, let's try not to get FOMO.
So as you just saw, I took 2 trades in total. My first trade was on oil. I honestly don't regret trading this. All my setup was there. The trend was up on oil. We pulled back to an old resistance, turning new support. Volume came in. It just wanted to sell off first before going up. So again, I'm not mad I took that trade. It was a good setup. It just didn't work the way we wanted to. You're not always going to time the market correctly. We had the right idea. We broke the high a day. Just bad timing on that. So anyways, that was my CL trade. Next trade I took, as you saw, was ES. And this trade looked good. Market structure was a little choppy overnight, so I was more worried to hold this trade longer. And as you can see, what ended up making me take this, the reason why I wanted to go long is because we're constantly putting in higher lows and higher highs. So on this third pullback, this is where we're still close to VWAP. A bunch of volume came in, so I was more comfortable going long. Overall, I could have held this trade longer. As you saw, kind of got bad timing. This volume just wasn't really good on here. And, I really wanted to see some volume stand out like it did on this candle. Obviously, I sold the candle before that. So I wanted to lock it in because, we could have easily sold off again if sellers stepped in, obviously, since we were going up on pretty low volume. So I don't think I can be mad at myself by taking profits a little bit earlier than I wanted to. Still made 7 points on it. Had the right idea for the trade. Plus, I paid for that first loss I took. and then made some profit on top of that. So yeah, can't be mad with today's session. A little bit more of a tricky day. But anyways, those are my trade recaps on how I made around $3,700 in profit today. So that being said, guys, I hope you have a great weekend. Take this time to reset, relax, and prepare for next week. Real quick before you go, I want to let you know that we're still doing the Inner Circle sale. So if you guys want to watch me trade live every single morning, I trade live on Zoom. You'll be able to see my screen, see my P&L, just as you saw from that replay. Like I said, we are doing a sale right now. I used to trade twice per week. Now I'm trading every single day, Monday through Friday. So in celebration of that update, we're doing a coupon code. You can use the coupon code every day for $100 off your first month. If you guys want to join us and trade live with me every single day, I'd love to have you inside. We also do lots of Q&A in those sessions. So if you have any questions for me, I'm live with you to answer all those questions. So if you guys do want to join us, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description below, or just head over to this link right here and use the coupon code every day at the checkout for that $100 off. That being said, guys, as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you Monday morning for another trading session and another recap video.